Hi tubers, and welcome back. This is just a quick video on what you can find and put together if you keep a focus towards recycling. This table cost me absolutely nothing. I was down at the dump and someone was disposing of a table and some other furniture. I didn't take all the parts of the table because all I needed was this top. I originally took this top for another purpose, but decided not to go that direction. These legs came from an oak table. Someone was cleaning out a garage. He had an oak tabletop. Somebody was supposed to pick it up from him. They didn't pick it up, and he ended up burning the oak top, and he had to get rid of these legs. I was helping him do a clean out, so I just took them. I figured at some point I could use these for a work table. My thought originally was to put a couple of 2x6s going across and make a heavy-duty work table. I don't need that right now, and this table will be handy for what I'm going to use it for. These boards are not screwed in. I just have them there for a little storage. But what's nice about this table, it looks pretty decent, and I can move it around. It's very light. It cost me nothing. I kept this wood and these legs from adding to the landfill, and plus I have a nice looking table to work on. I also picked up this board while I was there, and I might just trim this down to use on the bottom of that table, or just use it for additional shelving. There's a lot of things that are out there sometimes we never think of. If you keep a focus towards recycling, there's so much material out there that can be used, could be repurposed, could be used for the original intent it was made for, or something entirely different. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, let me know by posting your comments down below, giving it a like, pass it along. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Hit that Joe Z button right here. And if you like to be notified every time I upload a new video, there's that little bell over in the corner there. Hit that little bell, and every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Well guys, that's a wrap. Until next time, stay safe.